Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're tackling one of the absolute biggest, most fascinating buzzwords of our time, artificial intelligence. I mean, it's everywhere, right? It's dominating the news headlines, it's literally sitting in our pockets right now, and yeah, it's the star of countless sci-fi movies. But what actually is it? Well, today, we're going to set the stage, strip away all that fiction, and completely demystify the science behind it.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to break this massive topic into bite-sized logical pieces. First, what AI actually is, then what it can do, how it shows up in your daily life, the tech operating behind the curtain, and finally, how it's completely transforming our future.
Starting off with Section 1. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Let's get that foundational definition down.
At its absolute core, artificial intelligence, or AI as we all call it, is basically a branch of computer science. It's firmly rooted in logic, code, and math. But the ultimate goal here is to enable machines to think, learn, and make decisions just like humans do. It's not magic, folks. It's a beautifully complex effort to simulate human thought. Imagine taking the reasoning power of the human brain and literally translating it into lines of code. That is the real ambition of artificial intelligence.
Moving right along to Section 2, what can AI actually do? Let's talk about its capabilities. And this brilliantly illustrates a huge shift. Look, for all of human history, understanding language and solving complex problems, those were exclusively human traits, right? We just do it naturally. AI, on the other hand, automates tasks and learns from data to simulate those exact same traits. What we're really looking at here are machines simulating and automating processes that, up until very recently, required a human being to step in every single time. So let's break down exactly what these AI systems are built to do, because they don't just perform one rigid task. They're an incredibly versatile set of tools. Think about it like this. First, they can learn from data and make predictions. Second, they can recognize images and voices and actually understand complex language. And third, they bring all of that together to solve problems and automate tasks. From seeing to predicting to problem solving, these capabilities are what make AI an absolute powerhouse. All right, Section 3. AI in your daily life. Let's look at everyday integration. So let me ask you, do you use AI today? You might be sitting there thinking, well, I don't own a robot, so probably not. But I can pretty much guarantee you've interacted with an artificial intelligence system multiple times today, before you even finished your morning coffee. Let's bridge the gap between this big, abstract concept and your actual personal life. Just think about voice assistants. When you ask Siri or Google Assistant to, set a timer or check the weather, that's an AI system recognizing your specific voice and understanding language. Or what about when Netflix or YouTube magically suggest your absolute new favorite show? That's a recommendation algorithm at work. It's an AI making highly accurate predictions based on your past behavior. And it goes way further than that. It powers those chatbots you talk to for customer service, the face recognition that unlocks your phone, and yep, even the self-driving cars hitting our modern roads.
So pulling this all together, it's crystal clear we're looking at a vast, seamlessly integrated spectrum of technology. From those quiet, everyday recommendations shaping what we watch, to the massively popular new AI image and video generators you see literally everywhere online right now, AI is deeply woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Whether you realize it or not, you are already an AI user. Which brings us to Section 4, the technology behind the curtain. Let's peek under the hood at these modern AI engines. As we dive into the more technical side of things, let's just use this simple definition as our anchor. AI is technology that allows machines to simulate human intelligence. Just keep that core concept firmly in the back of your mind as we go through these next terms. Because at the end of the day, everything we're about to discuss is just a mechanism designed to achieve that one single goal. So the crucial point is that artificial intelligence is really just a big umbrella term. The specific engines actually driving modern AI are systems like machine learning, which is where computers literally improve at tasks just through experience. Then you've got deep learning and neural networks. And these are wildly fascinating because they are quite literally inspired by the structure of the human brain, using artificial nodes to process incredibly complex patterns. And finally, there's natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is that vital bridge that allows for natural, seamless communication between humans and machines. Finally, Section 5, transforming the future, how this is shaping tomorrow. Make no mistake, guys, AI is not just some passing fad.
It is one of the absolute fastest growing technologies in existence today. We have to look at AI as an active, rapidly expanding force. It isn't just participating in the world. It is fundamentally rewiring how human society operates. It's literally shaping our collective future.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer breadth and diversity of the global industries being completely transformed. I mean, in healthcare, it's analyzing mountains of data to aid in life-saving treatments. In education, it's personalizing the learning experience for individual students. It's the new analytical powerhouse in finance, the vanguard of modern cybersecurity, the actual brain inside robotics, and the invisible architecture curating our social media and gaming worlds. The impact is just truly universal.
We have covered an incredible journey in this explainer today, from its rigorous foundations in computer science all the way to the boundless frontiers of modern innovation. Artificial intelligence is completely reshaping reality. So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Now that you understand what it is, what it does, and the amazing technology behind the curtain, how will artificial intelligence change how you interact with the world? Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep asking those brilliant questions, and I'll catch you next time.